Want to get more out of Microsoft Teams? In this guide, I'll show you some useful Teams tips and tricks that can make chatting, searching, meetings, and everyday work much faster. These are simple features you can start using right away, so let's get into it. First, make the Teams search bar your shortcut to almost everything. Use it to find people, chats, channels, files, and other content. On Windows, you can also press Ctrl-E to quickly move to search. If you know exactly where you want to go, press Ctrl-G on Windows and type the name of a chat or channel. This can save a lot of time when you work across multiple teams and projects. Here's a really useful one. Type a / in the search bar or a message box to see available / commands. You can quickly change your status, start a meeting, schedule a message, open settings, or jump to a chat. For example, /busy changes your status to busy. You don't need to memorize dozens of shortcuts. Start with a few useful ones. Ctrl-N starts a new chat. Ctrl-F searches the current chat or channel. Ctrl-Shift-M toggles your microphone during meetings, and Ctrl-Shift-O toggles your camera. Microsoft also lets you open the complete shortcut list with Ctrl-. Need to send a message later. Teams supports scheduled messages. In a supported chat, type your message, open the send options, and choose a future delivery time. This is handy when you're working across different schedules or time zones. If you need a quick conversation without creating a full calendar event, use Meet now where it's available. You can start a meeting directly from Teams and invite the people you need. It's useful for those, quick questions that are easier to explain face to face. When you're searching for a document, don't scroll through every conversation. Use Teams Search to find files and narrow the results by things like file type, sender, or date when those filters are available. Microsoft introduced improved file search and filtering in 2026. During meetings, keyboard shortcuts can save you from hunting through the toolbar. Use Ctrl-Shift-M to mute or unmute, Ctrl-Shift-K to raise or lower your hand, and Ctrl-Shift-E to start screen sharing. These are especially useful when you're presenting. Finally, use the /settings command or the Teams settings shortcut to quickly open your preferences. From there, you can manage notifications, devices, appearance, and other options. And if you're new to Teams, start small. Learn the shortcuts and features you actually use every day. And that's it for these Microsoft Teams tips and tricks.